I have done a video on the Nautilus Bun before, but that was before I was able to get it to do what it is most loved for, which is to hold your hair up with no pins, no hair ties, no accessories, all by itself. This bun, I don't know how it came to have the name Nautilus. I should probably Google that, but I do know that it's a very common bun used in India, so Indian ladies from India are usually pretty familiar with this. So let me show you how I managed to get it to do it. So you twist a loop around, then I like to pause and reposition my hand a little bit, but not everyone does that. Once you get really practiced with it, you probably don't need to. Then you wrap hair around, and then you pull the loop over the top. The key to making sure that it holds by itself is to really, really pull that center part all the way through the loop as much as you can. Push with your thumb, pull with your hand, whatever it takes. And then it stays by itself. The other good idea to make this work is to not use freshly washed hair or freshly oiled hair. You know, a slightly dirty hair is going to hold more firmly. But yeah, very useful trick for if you find yourself without a hair accessory for some reason and you need to get your hair up quick. It's extremely useful.